Okay, this is gonna be a fun one. This is a Yz250f. Customer bought this engine on eBay with third gear broken. We're gonna find out what that means when we crack open the case here. It's just funny because the people take the time to, stick rags in here, but then there's no spark plug in there. That always gets me. Plug all this stuff off, but then we'll just take the spark plug out and ship it to you that way. And we're gonna plug that one off, but we're gonna leave that one open. And we're gonna leave that open too, because fuck that. But we're doing full engine, putting a new crank in there, new piston, servicing the head, replacing the valve stem seals, cleaning up the valves. Let's tear this baby down. Got this Yz250f torn down, the eBay engine, the right shift fork is bent. That's because here, so this gear, right shift fork goes here and pushes that gear up into there. Well, these dogs are rounded off, and when I get this transmission apart, I'll show you the damage that's going on in there. So what happens is the dogs get rounded off from shitty shifts, and the gears want to pop out. And when the gears want to pop out, that happens. The more you know. Okay, first things first, I'm gonna tear this transmission apart, get these messed up gears replaced. Let's do that. Okay, so you can see that it's rounded on this side here, and that it was rubbing real hard right there. This gear, super rounded, banged up. So if you just go in there and replace this shift fork like they did, this will just happen again, because these gears aren't staying together and the shift fork gets pushed on by the gear. So that's why you have to replace all the gears that are bad, and make sure that the circlips and snap rings are all replaced too, because they hold the gears in place. And if they slip off the shaft, you're just going to run into this problem again.